Today we're going to practice all of our subtraction strategies. So today I'd like to remind you of all the strategies that you know when we're subtracting. Remember, when we subtract, we use minus signs and we are taking things away, so our numbers are getting smaller. So the first way that I can use to help me with my subtraction is I have Unifix cubes here. You could use blocks or beans or toys or pennies, anything that you might have laying around so you can help learn your subtraction. So the first thing I'm going to do is look at the number 2. So I'm going to build this math sentence. It says start with 2. So I have 2 Unifix cubes. Then this minus sign means to take away. So I'm going to take away 1. Take away 1. When I see the equal sign, it means how many are left. Take a look. There is 1 left. So my answer is 1. Another way you can use a strategy you can use with your subtraction is to use a number line. Let's use the number line on this paper. So when I start with my 4, I start at number 4 on my number line. And it says to jump back 2. So I'm going to go down the number line 1, 2 jumps. And I landed on the number 2. So my answer is 2. 4, take away 2, or minus 2, equals 2. Another strategy you have is something that you're born with, and that's your fingers. So for this strategy, I'm going to look at the first number. It says 3, and I'm going to put out 3 fingers. Then it says to take away or minus 1. So I'm going to put down 1 of my fingers. How many fingers do I have left? I have 2 fingers left, so my answer is 2. Another strategy that we have when there aren't any number lines available or we don't have little toys or objects to use is we could always write little dots on our paper. So we can build this one. This says 7. So I'm very carefully going to write 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to be super careful that I make them nice and neat and a nice amount of space in between so they don't get all jumbled up and confusing. This says to take away or subtract 6. So to show that, I'm going to cross out 6 to show that they're going away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now my last job is to look and see. I have 1 left over. So my answer is 1. 7 minus 6 equals 1. Sometimes you will also see the paper looking up like this. And you will see the subtraction sentences written up and down. No problem, we can still use the same strategies. Just like I showed you the other day with addition, when I look at this math sentence, I see 9 minus 2, and this long line. Do you remember what that means? It means equals. So we're going to build this first problem with our Unifix cubes. So the first thing I'm going to do is find 9 because the top number says 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So I have 9 Unifix cubes. I could even make them look like a 10 frame. That would be fun. There's my 10 frame. So I have my cute little 10 frame here. And it tells me to take away, to subtract, to minus 2. So So I'm going to take 2 Unifix cubes and get rid of them, put them away. My answer will be how many are left. Let's count them. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to write 7 underneath my equal sign. All right, let's practice again using a different strategy. This time, let's use our fingers. So I'm going to put up, that's right, 7 fingers. So I'm going to put up 7 fingers. Let's get them over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. It tells me to take away 4. So I'm going to put down 4 fingers. Let's get rid of these ones first. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I got rid of 4 fingers. How many fingers are left? Let's count them. 1, 2, and 3. There are 3 fingers left, so my answer will be 3. Remember, around the tree, that's the way we make a 3. Let's try the next one, and this time let's try our dot strategy. So I'm going to make 8 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then it tells me to take away 2 dots. So I'm going to cross out 1, 2 dots. I have to make it so neat so that I can see it and it doesn't confuse my brain. Let's count how many dots are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 dots are left. So I'm going to write a 6. Down and a loop, 6 rolls a hoop. Hopefully this was helpful to help you remember some of the strategies you can use when you're doing subtraction. Have a great day.